Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an interesting topic that many of you have requested. We will be discussing the 5 things that men do only for the woman they truly love. So, if you are curious about the signs that show a man's deep affection, stick around because we are about to dive right in. Before we get started, I want to emphasize that love is a complex and individual experience. Not all men express their love in the same way, and these signs may vary from person to person. With that said, let's begin with the first sign. Number 1. Sacrifices and compromises. When a man truly loves a woman, he is willing to make sacrifices and compromises for the sake of their relationship. It could be as simple as giving up a hobby or making changes in their lifestyle. These actions demonstrate his commitment and his desire to prioritize the happiness and well-being of his partner. Moving on to the second sign. Active listening and emotional support. Men who are deeply in love genuinely listen to their partners. They provide emotional support during both the good times and the bad. They are there to lend an ear, offer advice when needed, or simply provide a comforting presence. By being attentive and responsive, they create a safe space for open communication and emotional connection. Now, let's move on to the third sign, making an effort to understand her world. When a man loves a woman, he goes beyond superficial interest. He takes the time to understand her passions, dreams, and goals. He engages in her hobbies, explores her interests, and supports her in pursuing her aspirations. This genuine curiosity and involvement in her life shows that he values her as an individual and wants to be an active part of her journey. Next up, we have the fourth sign, acts of kindness and thoughtfulness. Small gestures can speak volumes about a man's love. It could be surprising her with her favorite flowers, preparing a homemade meal, or simply showing random acts of kindness. When a man puts in the effort to make his partner feel loved and appreciated through these little acts, it demonstrates his affection and consideration for her. And now for the final sign, commitment and future planning. When a man is truly in love, he envisions a future with his partner. He openly discusses long-term plans, whether it is about marriage, starting a family, or building a life together. By actively involving her in these conversations, he shows his commitment and his desire to create a shared future filled with love and stability. And there you have it, our top 5 signs that a man does only for the woman he really loves. Remember, these signs are not definitive proof of love, as every relationship is unique. However, they can serve as indicators of a deep emotional connection. Thank you for watching. I have so much fun making those videos. If you have something to add, maybe you agree with something, maybe you don't, please leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.